Welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a headphone Beats Slow 3, and this headphone is one side speaker not working. This speaker is not working because the wire is damaged. You can see I have to open all the connection. I have to check. So one is the red color, this wire is connect with this wire not working, is have inside the short. So I have to make these two wires together. So this wire is connection okay, but red wire is not connected with this, have disconnect or have short inside. So I have to do the, here you can see the connection. So this is for the this speaker, and that the two connection coming to the this speaker. So what I have to do, here is one extra wire with this red color. You can see here is the extra wire, so was joining with this connection. So I have to cut it from here, and I will make connection this one for the negative. Okay, I will connect this one here to inside this, and also here joining. So you can see, if you have a headset like this, is wiring is damaged, so you can fix it. You see how I open all these connection and I check one by one. So now I connect it. You can see it will be work perfectly. No need to change all the cable. So guys, first you have to open this cable little bit, and you can see here inside the ground cable. So I will connect with ground, this ground. Okay, and you need a wire like this slim. You can find any headphone cable inside wire like this. Okay, so I connect first this one here. So I will connect with soldering iron this one to here, and I connect this one. Okay, almost done. So I will use some tape here inside. You can see the tape for do not make the connected with the another cable. Okay, this side is done already, so I will return back this cable and close this part. Okay, I just connect one screw because do not open. Okay, so now I will connect here the another connection. I need an extra cable, so I will put it inside this cable. Okay, I have to open this side. See, so I will soldering here the another connection for the negative. I have to connect it already positive, this wire for the negative. Okay, so done. Here is done. So I return this with this one. Connect with one screw. Okay, this is almost done. So here is the another work for this. Just connect this one with the ground one. So I have to open again this, and I connect this ground with this ground cable. And also put some tape. Do not make short with another connection. Almost done. So I have to return back inside this still. Before I close, I have to check first. Okay, I just put it like this. Now I will check. This headphone is on, so I will connect to the mobile phone. So guys, I using this headphone with my phone and working perfectly. You can hear the voice and very good, working perfectly. So now I will return back these all the connection here. Okay guys, so guys, done. Have to close this very carefully if broken inside the plastic, so you have to put some glue here. So now it's done. This headphone working. See, so now I will close all this. So if you have problem like this, your headset, the beats slow 3, you can fix at home very well. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Have a nice day.